Ready to take your kitchen to the next level? These amazing new gadgets are all about making cooking faster, cleaner, and way more fun. From clever tools that simplify prep to space-saving helpers, you'll wish you had sooner. This lineup has it all. Check out all the links in the description below. Say goodbye to lumpy mashed potatoes forever. This heavy-duty ricer turns boiled potatoes into fluffy, cloud-like mash with a simple squeeze. Its dual gear system gives you extra power without straining your hands, making pressing effortless. You can use it for veggies too. Think smooth cauliflower, carrots, or even sweet potatoes. And when dinner's done, just pop it in the dishwasher. Easy, fast, and perfectly smooth every time. Imagine turning on your tap and getting crisp, clean, mineral-rich water instantly. This smart reverse osmosis system purifies through 11 powerful stages, removing everything from chlorine to heavy metals. It doesn't just clean, it enhances, adding back healthy minerals like calcium and magnesium for better taste and balance. The digital faucet shows water quality in real time, so you always know what you're drinking. Who says you need a built-in hood to keep your kitchen air fresh? This portable range hood sucks up smoke, steam, and grease before they have a chance to linger. Its triple-layer filtration system, metal, polymer, and carbon traps odors and oils like a pro. You can adjust the fan speed, switch on the LED light, and cook anywhere from your kitchen to your RV. Compact, quiet, and easy to clean, it's pure cooking freedom. Your morning routine just got a tech upgrade. This smart electric kettle connects to Wi-Fi, letting you boil water or set the perfect temperature with a top ear, even a voice command. The gooseneck spout gives you precision control for smooth, steady pouring, ideal for coffee or tea lovers. It heats fast, keeps water warm for hours, and shuts off automatically for safety. Sleek, smart, and seriously satisfying to use. This lightweight cordless vacuum makes cleaning feel effortless. With powerful suction and dual modes, it handles everything from hardwood floors to pet hair with ease. The slim design glides around furniture, and built-in LED headlights reveal every bit of hidden dust. Plus, it quickly converts into a handheld vacuum for stairs or car interiors, perfect for quick cleanups without cords or hassle. Turn pasta night into a quick, hands-on experience with this automatic pasta maker. It mixes, kneads, and extrudes fresh noodles in minutes. All you do is add your ingredients and pick your pasta shape. With multiple discs and an advanced mixing system, you can make spaghetti, penne, or even experiment with doughs for cookies or bread. Cleanup's easy too. Just rinse the parts or pop them in the dishwasher. Meet your new kitchen sidekick that actually helps you eat smarter. This smart food scale doesn't just weigh your food, it tells you what's in it. Sync it with the app to track calories, macros, and up to 19 key nutrients in real time. Its stainless steel surface is sleek, durable, and easy to clean. Whether you're cooking, meal prepping, or managing your diet, precision has never been this simple. Bring dull blades back to life with precision you can feel. This adjustable knife sharpener gives you full control over your edge, whether it's a kitchen knife, hunting blade, or even a serrated edge. With 7 abrasive grits from coarse diamond to fine leather strop, you can restore, refine, and polish any blade. The adjustable angle system makes every sharpening consistent, fast, and foolproof. Sharp knives every time. Turn last night's leftovers into tomorrow's garden gold. This smart electric composter breaks down food waste in hours, not weeks, using advanced microbe technology. It's completely odor-free thanks to a triple-layer filter, and it runs whisper quiet, so you'll barely notice it working. The sleek design fits right on your counter, turning everyday scraps into rich compost while keeping your kitchen fresh and eco-friendly. Rain or shine, this portable electric grill lets you enjoy that perfect sear anywhere. It heats up fast, reaching sizzling hot temps without smoke or flare-up, just pure grilling power. The stainless steel body resists rust, while the non-stick grate makes cleanup effortless. Plug it in, twist the knob, and you're ready to grill indoors or out. Compact, durable, and seriously satisfying for every cookout craving. Meet the pizza oven that makes you feel like a chef without leaving your backyard. This ultra-portable gas-powered oven hits blazing hot temperatures in minutes, giving you crispy, bubbly Neapolitan-style pizza in just 60 seconds. Its new flame technology spreads heat evenly, so every slice cooks perfectly edge to edge. The thicker stone keeps things hot for back-to-back pizzas, and setup takes minutes. Grill like a pro without babysitting the BBQ. This smart wireless meat thermometer keeps track of your cook from anywhere right from your phone. With dual probes and advanced sensors, it reads internal and ambient temperatures with incredible precision. The display updates in real time, helping you hit that perfect doneness every time. No tangled wires, no guesswork, just juicy, perfectly cooked meat every single time. This one's not your average air fryer. It's a 6-in-1 powerhouse that air fries, toasts, bakes, roasts, reheats, and broils all in one compact design. The secret? Steam infusion. It locks in moisture so your food stays juicy inside and crispy outside. It also preheats super fast, saving you time while keeping every meal tender, flavorful, and cooked to perfection right on your countertop. Cooking perfect rice and grains just got effortless. This smart cooker automatically weighs your ingredients and adds the exact amount of water needed, no guessing, no measuring. With 21 presets, you can make everything from fluffy rice to quinoa, oats, or barley with one touch. The steamer basket lets you cook veggies or fish at the same time. Sleek, quiet, and precise, it's the smarter way to meal prep. Good coffee shouldn't be complicated, and this brewer proves it. With one button, it heats water to the perfect temperature and delivers rich, flavorful coffee in just minutes. You'll get that smooth pour-over taste without any effort or guesswork. The glass carafe keeps your brew hot and fresh, while dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup easy. Simple, sleek, and reliable, your new morning essential. Nothing beats the smell of freshly baked bread, and now you can have it anytime. This automatic bread maker does all the work for you. Mixing, kneading, rising, and baking. Just add your ingredients, pick a program, and let it handle the rest. With 17 settings and customizable crust levels, every loaf comes out just the way you like it. Quiet, easy to clean, and foolproof. It's homemade bread made simple. Great coffee starts with a perfect grind, and this burr grinder delivers just that. With 30 grind settings, you can fine-tune your brew for espresso, pour-over, or drip coffee. The digital timer gives you precise control so you get the exact amount every time. Its powerful motor grinds fast while keeping beans cool for better flavor. Consistent, reliable, and built to last, it's every coffee lover's dream tool. If you love peanut butter, why not make your own? This electric nut butter maker turns peanuts, almonds, or cashews into creamy spreads in minutes. Just pour in your favorite nuts, add a touch of honey or cinnamon if you like, and let it work its magic. The non-slip base keeps it steady while it grinds smoothly. Fresh, flavorful nut butter made exactly how you like it, anytime. Morning coffee doesn't need a kitchen anymore. This portable espresso maker brings the cafe right to your hands anywhere you are. It heats up fast and brews your favorite coffee just the way you like it, From rich espresso to smooth lunge. You can use ground coffee or capsules, making it super flexible. And with its powerful built-in battery, you can enjoy up to 5 cups on a single charge. Crispy fries, juicy chicken, or roasted veggies, this slim air fryer does it all without taking up precious counter space. Its compact design fits anywhere, yet the basket still handles big batches with ease. You get 6 preset modes and adjustable temperature for perfect results every time. The ceramic non-stick coating makes cleanup effortless. Sleek, quiet, and efficient. It's your shortcut to healthier, faster cooking. Tight lids don't stand a chance with this clever under-cabinet jar opener. Just hook, twist, and done, no muscle required. It's perfect for seniors, kids, or anyone with weak hands or arthritis. The hidden design keeps your counters clutter-free, and the non-slip grip holds every lid steady. You'll open jars one-handed with zero effort, making everyday kitchen tasks feel effortless again. Your morning smoothie just got an upgrade. This personal blender packs serious power into a sleek travel tumbler that goes wherever you do. With one touch, the Auto IQ Tech blends, pauses, and pulses automatically for perfect results every time. The 1200-watt motor crushes ice like it's nothing, turning ingredients silky smooth. And thanks to its leak-proof chug lid, you can toss it in your bag without a single spill. What if your water could do more than just hydrate? This hydrogen water pitcher infuses every glass with tiny hydrogen molecules that help fight fatigue, boost clarity, and support recovery. Using advanced electrolysis technology, it balances pH levels and filters out impurities for a cleaner, smoother taste. You'll love the simple touch controls and self-cleaning design that keeps it fresh automatically. Power through smoothies, soups, and frozen treats with this professional-grade blender. It's built for precision and speed, featuring preset programs for your favorite blends and a variable speed dial for total control. The self-cleaning function means no scrubbing, just add water and soap, and it cleans itself in seconds. Perfect for anyone who wants pro-level blending made effortless, sleek, and reliable. Turn your kitchen into a mini cafe with this all-in-one milk frother. It whips up silky foam for lattes, cappuccinos, or even cold brews at the touch of a button. The smart heating system keeps milk from burning while creating that smooth, creamy texture every barista dreams of. Works perfectly with dairy or plant-based milk. Easy to clean, quick to use coffee, perfection made simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.